Good morning. It's Lisa with Soulshine, and I had a nice slow morning, and I'm all natural today. No makeup. Didn't do my hair because I have a wedding to go to later this afternoon, and I want to look pretty then. So I'm gonna hold off on the pretty production until then. So I'm gonna do my grocery shopping and my house cleaning and stuff like that all natural. But I wanted to sit and have some tea with you this morning. This morning I'm having white grape, real neutral tea, and I added my coconut oil, and I forgot and also added some local honey. So I'm also going to get some allergy benefits from that. So cheers to you. It's going to be wicked hot because I just made it. I do love the coconut oil, and I picked coconut oil that smells good in the jar, so it literally smells and tastes like a Samoa Girl Scout cookie. I do love that. So I did want to tell you one of the aha moments I had last night. Maya actually found this book for me to look at with her because she has had eczema since she was a newborn. Almost immediately she had eczema, and the doctors were always like, oh, she'll grow out of it. We had like a 3-hour wait to speak to a Johns Hopkins pediatric skin doctor, dermatologist, and all of that culminated in, oh, you should just put Vaseline on her skin daily. Well, Vaseline is petroleum based. I mean, you get the big degrees and that's what you're gonna give me, Vaseline. Anyway, so she's 18 years old now and still having wicked flare-ups. So she found this book called The Eczema Detox by Karen Fisher. And I sat last night and poured through it, and it was amazing. And all of the things that I've ever given her are exactly the things that make her itchy. So I felt like I had a poor me, terrible mom moment where I'm like upset and thinking, oh, I'm the culprit behind this madness of her skin. And ultimately, that's the definition of wisdom. You deal with and approach life based on the knowledge that you have. And when you learn something new and you better yourself, then you do better. So I'm not going to be too hard on myself, but I had to, like, my eyes were open last night. The itchy dozen. So she has a section in her book. Again, that was the Eczema Detox, a section in her book of the itchy dozen. So it's 12 things that clearly make your skin itch. Grapes, oranges, and all of these things I've given Maya in huge doses. Kiwi fruit. I've packed Maya a kiwi fruit sliced with a spoon in her lunch every day throughout high school. Soy sauce. We eat Chinese food like beasts here. Tomatoes, so tomato sauce, ketchup, canned tomatoes, tomato juice, all of that. Avocado, I give my avocado toast all the time. Broccoli, all the time. Dried fruits, I'm not so big on the dried fruits, raisins and things. Deli meats, she's not a huge deli meat eater, but when we have baseball on the weekend, I'll make ham and cheese sandwiches. Also on bread that's gluten-filled. Eggs, which we eat a lot of eggs and pancakes and puddings and all kinds of things. And then chocolate, any sort of chocolate milk, and then all dairy products. Literally the 12 things that I've given Maya her whole life. So it was an aha moment, and so now that I've been garnished with new wisdom, I'm going to be able to approach things differently. So I just thought, instead of like beating myself up and worrying that I only have 2 months before she leaves for college to implement this new program, I'm just gonna yield the wisdom that I have today and move forward in a different direction. And ultimately, that's all we can do as moms and humans in this world is search for wisdom, let it sink in, and then apply it. And then that's all really you can do. The definition of insanity has got to be doing the same thing over and over and over and expecting different results, but also knowing things and not making a change. So a change is going to be made, and I'll keep you posted and let you know how it goes. But I'm really excited for Maya to have some relief from this itchy madness. So I hope that you guys have a great day, and tune in tomorrow. I'm going to be out of town. We're heading to Virginia for baseball. So I'll take you on the road with me. I don't know what kind of tea I'll be drinking there. Maybe I'll bring my own. So I hope you enjoy this beautiful day and seek new wisdom and apply it in a new way. And I love you much. See you tomorrow. Mwah, mwah.